In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Shopify store. This feature comes in handy if you're still building your site or want to limit access during certain times. Let's dive right in. First, to begin password protecting your Shopify store, you'll need to head to the Shopify admin area. Open up your web browser, navigate to your Shopify store, and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Home section of your Shopify dashboard. This area provides a quick overview of your store's activity and gives you access to essential settings and controls. To proceed, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you will find a column with several different options. Click on Online Store, which will expand to reveal more settings related to your store's online presence, such as themes, blog posts, and most importantly for our task today, preferences. Once you've clicked on Online Store, navigate to the Preferences section. The Preferences section of your Shopify admin is where you can control various aspects of your store, including password protection, which we're focusing on today. Clicking on it will take you to a new page with various settings that can both protect and personalize your store. As you scroll down this page, you'll notice an option labeled Password Protection. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a few more options that let you set up a password gate for your store. This is where you can enable or disable password protection and configure the specific password you want your store visitors to use. Next, click on the Password field. This is where you'll type the password that visitors will need to enter to access your store. Choose a strong and secure password, one that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to safeguard your store effectively. Remember, only share this password with those who should have access during the password-protected period. Finally, you'll see a section called Message to your visitors. Clicking here allows you to customize the message that visitors see when they hit your store's password page. Make sure to craft a message that explains why your store is password protected, such as, "We're currently under construction. Please enter the password to continue." This message provides clarity for your visitors and keeps them in the loop regarding your store's availability. And that, my friends, is how you password protect your Shopify store. By following these steps, you'll be able to control access to your online shop, ensuring that it's ready before going public or offering VIP access to select customers. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for maintaining professionalism and security for your e-commerce venture. Thank you for following along, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.